All right, guys. I was trying to find some inspiration for some new drinks for my videos. I went back to my Instagram page. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's the Low Carb Cocktail Guy on Instagram. Get a lot of stuff on there. I've been doing Instagram a little bit longer than YouTube, and I found one of the first drinks. I want to say it's one of the top three, one of the first three that I did, if I'm not mistaken. And I've not done a video on that. And I love a Moscow Mule, and this is a spin on that Moscow Mule. Oh, before I get started, if you want to learn more about making cocktails keto-friendly and low-carb, click the bell icon and the subscribe button, and you'll see every time I put a new video out. All right, so let's get started. I call this the Monster Mule because it's monster. So if you're a fan of energy drinks in your cocktails, Jaeger bombs, whatever it is, just with energy drinking cocktail. But this is a really great version of a Moscow Mule. So from here, you're gonna need a copper mug. You can use a rocks glass or anything you want to drink it out of. Mason jar, Dixie cup, I don't care. But the whole point behind the copper mug is it keeps the drink colder longer. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So in our copper mug, like most Moscow Mules, we're just gonna add some vodka. So that'll be 2 ounces of your favorite vodka. Mine is JT Meleck. Next, we're gonna go with a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And this is where we get a little bit different from a Moscow Mule, because a Moscow Mule is gonna use lime juice. I'm gonna do a 1/2 ounce of our lemon juice. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And then you could top this with Monster, but if you see some of my other videos talking about topping in carbonated sodas or whatever it is you're topping with, not to top, you'll never get a consistent flavor. Depending on the size of your mug, your glass, topping's gonna be a different volume of liquid every time. So we're gonna go ahead and measure out 4 ounces of the Monster Ultra Zero. I have used the light blue can of Monster, the 0 calorie one with gin. I think I did a video on it somewhere around here. So that's 4 ounces of our Monster. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. 2 ounces of our vodka, 4 ounces of the Monster Zero Ultra in the white can, and then a little bit of lemon juice. Cheers. Damn, I forgot how good those were. All right, guys. Spin on a Moscow Mule using an energy drink, specifically the white can of Monster Zero Ultra. It's got a little bit of citrus flavor. It's kind of what made me think putting lemon juice instead of lime juice. Great drink. If you're into putting energy drinks or carbonated drinks into your liquor, when I really could care less. All right, guys. Y'all have a great night, because when I'm finished this one, I'll be awake for a little bit, and I'll be having a great night too. See y'all later.